welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to sow some radish seeds. As you can see, I bought these radish seeds last year from Wilco for 50p, and I'm going to show you how to actually sow them. And this packet contains it says that it can, let me just read. Firstly, it is called Radish French breakfast, and so February to September, and harvest April to October. As you know, I'm still in the November month, but it says that you have to sow outdoors, from February to September, but you can actually sow them basically in mid-January indoors, not outdoors, indoors. And they says that there are it takes approximately 4 to 6 weeks from sowing to harvest, and there are approximately 500 seeds in average in this packet of radish French breakfast, and they are a little bit long, like they are so long radishes. They will taste good. I haven't tasted them yet, but I have tasted some other varieties of radishes, and this is my first time actually for growing some radish. So first I'm going to be showing you that I've got 2 pots that I'm going to be sowing these radish. What you're going to do, have your labels ready. Radish French breakfast. If you're going to sow many other things as well, as I'm going to do, I'm going to sow tomatoes, cucumbers, many other things. And I have radish French breakfast 12th of January 2021, and they are going to be in the windowsill because they have to get light, or else the seeds will be like really laggy and like that. And for sowing in tray pot, I have made small trenches with a ruler, and just made small trenches like that. I'm going to sow 2 rows in this pot, and I've got a bigger pot that I'm going to sow around and around. But firstly, they say that it's important that you actually pre-moisten your soil, because if you pre-moisten the soil, you don't have to water afterwards, and if you water afterwards, the seeds will get dislodged, and they will get on the sides, on the corners, on the edges, everywhere, out of the trench you actually made for them. And here it says that you are going to cover them lightly 1/2 inch, which is what I actually 1.5 centimeters, which is actually what I did. And then you're going to actually sow them in rows. But I'm doing it, let me just read a little bit. They need actually space. It takes 7 days so that they appear. Let me just get the scissors. As you can see, there are many seeds. There are approximately 500 of them, and I'm going to sow them here. And I'm not going to actually so now I'm going to sow them. have watered it well. I water it really carefully so that the seeds doesn't get dislodged. So it is still 12th of January today. I'm going to give you update, and I'm going to also give you the video when I harvest them after 4 or 6 weeks. Hopefully that will be in the end of February. Then I can sow more if I think that the radishes was really delicious. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.